In this video, we are going to explain about PDF optimization and creation of a new file as per scenario 1. We all know that eOffice accepts only PDF file as a receipt, and that PDF file should be less than 20 MB. If the file is beyond 20 MB, we need software like LibreOffice or PDF Element to compress the file. Before uploading a file as a receipt, the scanned file should be placed in a proper folder. The scanned file, if it is related to an establishment matter of group 4 services, then create a folder as establishment. Inside this folder, another folder group 4 services can be created, and inside that the scan file should be placed. Storing the scanned copy in a proper folder will avoid confusion. If you are going to scan the file freshly, then scan it in 150 dpi. Dpi means dots per inch. If the scan file is less than 20 MB, then it can be directly uploaded as a receipt. But if it is beyond 20 MB, we have to compress it or split it. So how to compress and split? First, we have to install LibreOffice, and the software is available in the URL shown in this video, or it will be available in our FTP site 10.188.9.19. So let's see how to compress. So I have downloaded and installed the LibreOffice already, and I have just opened it. As you can see, this is the home page of LibreOffice, and here I have kept my scanned file. The size of this file is 74 MB, which is beyond our eOffice restriction. So this is our scanned file. Totally, it is of 250 pages. So just open the LibreOffice. Just click on Open File. Select your scanned file. Open it. This will take some certain time to process the file and open, since it is a huge file. As you can see, the progress bar is showing downside. Now the file has been opened in LibreOffice. Now in order to optimize the file, just go to File, Export as PDF, and in General tab, go to JPEG compression and give quality as 30% and DPI value as 85 DPI. If the size of file is beyond 20 MB and up to 75 MB, then just click on Export. No more configuration is required, just click on Export. Now it will ask for the location and name for the file. I am going to give a name, same name with optimized at the end. And the location is at the same source folder. Just click on save and it will start compressing your file to the new DPI value of 85 DPIs. As you can see downside, the optimization is happening. Once it ends, you can go to your source folder and check the size of the file. DPI values are directly related to resolution of a file. So higher the DPI, the resolution of the file will be good. At the same time, the size of the file will increase. The lower the DPI, the size of the file will reduce. And here we are trying with 85 DPI. That is not an hardened rule. You can try it in 100 DPI. If it comes in 100 dpi, if the value of the size comes within 20 MB, then you can very well use in 100 dpi. So now the file has been optimized. I am going to my source folder. And here you can see the optimized file as well as my original file. Now I am going to select my optimized file and check the size of the file. Here you can see it became 17 MB. So now it is within 20 MB and it can be uploaded as a receipt into eOffice for file creation.